pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Coffee Kisses. For this I'm using 75 grams of unsalted butter, 175 grams of self-rising flour, 75 grams of caster superfine sugar, 1 egg beaten, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee dissolved in 1 tablespoon of hot water. If you don't drink coffee, you can leave it at. You're supposed to sandwich them with chocolate buttercream, but I don't have icing sugar to make buttercream, so I'm going to use clotted cream. First, rub the butter into the flour. Like breadcrumbs. Now beat the egg. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of instant coffee in 1 tablespoon of hot water. Stir in the sugar. Now stir in the egg. And the coffee. And mix well. That's what it looks like when it's well mixed. Flour your hands. Make the dough into walnut-sized balls. Place them up on a baking tray. Flatten slightly with a fork. Bake for 10 minutes at gas mark for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. Now you sandwich the biscuits together. I'm supposed to be using buttercream, but I didn't have enough icing sugar to make them, so I'm using clotted cream that I made earlier. On top. Right. My clotted cream came out nice and thick. This is me, all the time. And now for the taste test. Take the small one. They're okay. They're more cakey than biscuity. Need more coffee. First, rub the butter into the sugar.
I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.